friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn this and that. We use this and that for near and far. I show you examples. This is a compass box. That is a compass box. This is a teddy. And that is a teddy bear. This is a pillow. And that is a pillow. This is a doll. That is a doll. This is a book. And that is a book. This is a bottle. That is a bottle. This is a glass. That is a glass. This is a bag. That is a bag. This is a belt. And that is a belt. This is a ball. That is a ball. Friends, we use this and that for one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye friends.